Yes, so I don't come back again. Now maybe that girl made it talk that matter. Maybe say if people they talk, the thing they wrong me for stomach. Eh? Again one thing I watch on Facebook that day. Me one what they cause about Edo girls, Benin girls, about Nigeria. Make I tell you, no bole Edo they do that thing. Wey they talk say they do they beg for street. Even though so they beg for street. If they run meet you for help, can you help? Can you bring one naira come out for that your pocket? Say you want give them to pay house rent? Cause they not see work. That's why they do one. Most of them that they do that thing, they not be fool. They not be mumu. They know why they do the thing. They know that they do the thing because say they work they don't want to do the work. They are other country. They easy to get a job. If you not get paper, how can you get a job? You need to ask yourself before you dey cost them. You need to ask yourself all this question before you go dey tell them anything maybe say dey your mind. I know say most of them they get paper, they get opportunity to work, they no want do. But not be all of them they get paper, get work. That some of them they get paper, they not get work. That some of them they not go get paper. Okay, wait till they want to work. They want use their peace, they go sign for work. You need to ask yourself that question before you go dey cost people. Hear me? Even though say all these men or women that dey for street, they beg for street, they not get support. At least you see them, you don't ever give them one naira as you see them. But not to stand for where you stand, put they insult them, they throw what give them. Might tell you, you know better pass them. Before you enter that Europe, where you first stand put, what do you first do before you stand? Or could you just fly enter? You just get that job maybe do, or you just succeed the work before you the cost person. First search your mind. First think about yourself before you then destroy person own. Because why? Person may dey destroy person. E be like say na wetin he himself he even do pass all these people wey dem dey beg for street. The kind of work may he even do sef, all these people no even do am before him dey destroy people own. E no good. If you see fellow Nigeria like you, wey dem dey beg, wey dem dey suffer, at least wetin you go do? Help. More you help, more God bless you. The money wey you think say you get, how many people you don help? How many people you don sign say you don help? Many people don see and say yes you dey try, you don help people. Na to come social media dey destroy people name, dey destroy any tribe name. I be think say na for Nigeria, na only Nigerian people dey do the thing. There are more another country maybe say that they do that things, but they no dey talk and come out say that they do the thing. They dey suffer, they do one, they suffer, they take care of themselves, they pay house rent. Because if they don't do that thing, they go see themselves alakaye. They go see themselves for street, go sleep for street. Because why? No money to pay. Most of people that did this country, they try. They try. Because why? Wetin they don't use this your eye see. Their mouth no fit talk am. No dey come social media, they destroy who not destroy you. Before you come, you don't have to do many things before you stand. Not dey destroy person own. More you destroy person, more you dey destroy yourself. You hear me? Now waiting I will tell you be that. Bye for now.